Today, I'm going to be sharing with you my top tip for making all sorts of prone, ab, and core exercises a lot more comfortable, safer, and way more effective. This works for all exercises where your hands are on the ground and you're working your flexion or your anterior chain, including, of course, planks, ab wheels, mountain climbers, and of course, all of the exercises in the grind style repertoire. The reason why this tip works is because it's about including more tension along your entire flexion chain. In order to get your abs to work better, we want everything on the front side of your body working. And where a lot of folks work or have a weak link with this is in their shoulder position. When the shoulders are back and elevated, this creates a weak point in your flexion chain. So as a result, usually you get the sagging back, stress in the lower back, and you basically lose a lot of the support that you need in order to have your abs and your hips work as hard as possible. That's why whenever you've got your hands on the floor, you not only want to arch your back slightly with a posterior pelvic tilt, but push your shoulders forward. Have them forward and down away from the ears. This position is going to give you a lot more engagement in your chest, your shoulders, and in the rear deltoids, which is a very key component to your ab training. More on that in a future video. But when your shoulders protract forward, that locks you in place. But when your shoulders come back, your neck is sagging, you've got this kind of thing going on, suddenly nothing is working very well, and your elbows are flaring out. Basically, it all ends in tears and a much less safe and productive workout. So whenever you're starting anything with your hands on the floor, push into the floor as much as you can and then begin. For exercises that involve the shoulder moving, keep it forward and allow it's almost like your shoulders coming up and forward, which is a lot more stable versus if I was here and suddenly you don't have nearly as much support in your shoulder joint and in your scapular stability. So let me know in the comment section down below if you have any further questions on any sort of plank or core training that you would like to see me address in these videos. Check out these videos here for more. Subscribe here for future videos that are coming out as well. Talk to you next time. Don't be fit, live free.